So I'm going to be sewing on the Magna hoop, the 8-in-1 set. This is a hoop hoop 1 inch by 6 inch. I'm not actually sure what you want to use this thing for, but I'm gonna show you what the stitch out looks like on it because it's just a weird hoop. Let me show you. There it is. It's the weirdest hoop I've seen to date. So it's this long skinny thing. I'm gonna put this on there right down the middle. I want to see how it looks. So let's see what it does. Should be ready to go. Hoop limit detector. Hold on. So hoop limit detector. So I have to change something on my design. Hold on. All right, so I adjusted the width of the hoop because as you can see, the top and bottom is fine, but the width of the hoop I think was off. So let me try that again. Let me hit start. Oh, there it goes. All right, so there it is stitched out, and it's sunk in there. So I didn't have the right stabilizer. As you can see, I had this is wash away stabilizer, so it wasn't the right. I don't think it was the right stabilizer. So it sunk in a little bit. As you can see, it just sunk in there. Not too bad, but it's sunk in a little bit. But as you can see, the stitching came out just fine. Now here's my question: is what would you be using this to do? Now that's a real question. So if somebody can give me an answer to that question, please let me know, because that is just slim as all hell. Oh man, that's crazy slim. And I have to adjust. Look like I have to adjust my my bobbin tension because it's the bobbin tension is too loose for stitching that small. Look at that thing, man. That's crazy tiny. All right, so I want to show you that you could show you what I did stitch on this thing. I mean, you can use it for like maybe a graffiti down. I don't know, like a little tattoo going down the sleeve or something, or I don't know what to use this for. This is a weird hoop. That's all I know. That's how slim you have to stitch in that field. So I don't know what the hell you're stitching there, and that's as wide as it is. But as you see, you can do something long. That's crazy. All right. I just wanted to show you me stitching on that little hoop. Again, that's a 1 inch wide by 6 inches long hoop. That is crazy small.